Yo, what's up? We are now sitting in the Hongqi E-HS7. This is the car with the big battery, the 111 kilowatt hour, and also it's the I think it was called exclusive trim. And in this video we'll test the headlights. So it doesn't have any matrix lights, it's just on and off. And then, okay, let me get over to the dark side. We're here, and then boom. Oh, well, it seems to be okay. I also noticed this when I did the 1,000 kilometer challenge, that the light seems to have good strength. But let me see, try again over here. Yeah, you see it lights up the bushes quite well. It's not just one dot in the middle. Yeah, but okay, we can test. See, it doesn't turn. And of course there's no matrix animation here, there's nothing like that. Let me see, okay, over here then. Well, however, okay, it shines up, which is great. And it has also a fairly good strength. But it lacks a bit of spread to the sides. You can see it clear when you go on sharper curves. Okay, one way to compensate for that would be if the headlights would turn, but they don't turn. So then, at least if they're wide enough, it will be okay. But here, I feel like in the sharpest curves, I am a little bit in the dark. Like here-ish. But this is not that sharp. Yeah. But I can see that they're just slightly. For example, okay, if I slow down a bit, and then when I accelerate, you see, it adjusted down to compensate for that. The back will sag and the front will go up a bit. And also seems like it adjusts according to hilltops. But that's just up and down adjustments. Okay, anyway, let's hammer it. We'll check it out on the farm. Okay, let's have the high beam on. Yeah, kind of slight in the dark there. But, I mean, it's not the worst I've seen, but also not as good as the best German lights, for example. Okay, over at the farm soon here. Oh wait, was it here? Was it the next? No, there's one. Okay, not here. Oh, my bad. It was here. Okay. So, see, off and then on. Yeah, would be better if it lights up the bush more to the left and the right, and also up. You know. Okay, let's go for it. With schnell, yeah, I like it. I'm not even in sport mode. But actually, no, I think in normal mode I can also get 100% power. Let me check here. Yeah, it just comes a bit gradually. Whereas if I switch to the sport mode, let me go in the menu here, driving. Okay, sport. Oh shit! Wow. Hey, what the heck, man? Dude! Wait. Sot. Time out. My phone just slid off the... Can I get it from here? No, wait. Seriously? I have to go out. My phone slid off the wireless charging pad. Huh? It fell down on the ground. On the floor in the car. Dude, note to self. Keep your phone in the... Huh? But I mean, it has some sort of rubberized texture, but apparently it's not enough. Yeah, because when you floor it, stuff just moves around. It's that powerful. 619 horsepower, some 750 newton meter torque, but seems like they didn't design it for that. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus would slide off the wireless charging pad. on strong acceleration. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Wow, holy shit balls, this thing just goes like a rocket. There was a bit of wheel spin there because possibly because we have winter tires, Continental Viking Contact 7. But okay, back to the headlights, which we were supposed to test. Let me go back to normal mode again here, man. Okay, just too brutal for me. Well, they're okay, the headlights. Yeah. So if I would give it score, okay, it doesn't get any. You get minus point for not being matrix lights or any adaptive stuff. It doesn't turn or stuff like that, and maybe a 6. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.